All right, guys, we are very, very, very excited today to introduce to you the game of skate with the world's tightest and the world's loosest trucks ever.
Well, I got my board.
So you're going with the world's tightest?
Yeah, I'd rather have tightest.
And I'm going with the world's loosest because I like Day One Song. He's incredible.
Loosey-goosey.
Look at that. Look at that. This is like, it doesn't, like, you don't even have to lean in your wheel bite.
Day One, he just uses the bottom bushings.
Yeah. Day One uses the bottom bushing. This has no bushing. Loosest versus tightest game of skate. Some call this stupid skate. Some call it verse.
So how are we playing this skate game?
So here's how it works. I am going to Rochambeau.
I'm not.
And then you are. Then, like, if I win, we're playing on this. If you win, we're playing on that.
Okay, and then we play on this.
Yeah, because we do get a lot of questions, and the whole point of Braille is to teach you guys how to skateboard. And one big question we get is, should I have my trucks loose or should I have my trucks tight?
I don't think anyone's skating
to the extreme.
Yeah.
My trucks used to be that tight, like when I first started.
You realize this board is like, this is a we want revenge, guys.
This is your
That needs to
element
go
right
on
here.
the wall. Okay, let's go. Yes.
Yes.
Loose it is.
I can't turn.
So this is my truck, so you can see, we got some bend. And here's this one. So since I won the Rochambeau, I go first.
Wait, what are those shaker things called in mariachis?
Mariachis. Oh, dude.
Maracas? How is it?
The thing that's terrifying is the wheel bite. It's just like you don't even turn and the board just goes boop, and you're dead. Well, just starting out today, no warm-ups. Ugh. I got the new Braille gear though. This is brand new Braille tees in the Braille shop. So sick, I'm super stoked. We got 2 new designs just dropped. I'll show you the other one later. But for right now, I'm gonna warm up with a frontside 180. Oh yeah, boy. Not only is it the loosest trucks, the wheels are really fast. Good luck.
Oh my god. I got speed wobbles already. Oh no.
The only board you could speed wobble after one push.
I forgot how loud it was in here until he just did that 180. Yeah, boy! I'm crushing this game today. I'm crushing this.
Wait till somebody, probably me, gets wheel bites.
Did your ankle break?
No, but my butt did. Broke my butt.
S, woo! Troy's got the other new design on. Brand new shirt, brand new shirt. In the Braille shop now.
Reminds me of that time that you skated through the colorful powder.
I never did that. That was somebody else. No! No! Fetty starts it off like a man. Here I am trying to do a pop, a shove it. Not even a pop shove it. And he just goes straight for a kickflip. See, we're just gonna take my trick now.
When you land primo, the trucks just move out of the way.
That's what you get for trying to do a heel flip. Never again.
I landed primo, right, and I was like, oh, there's the trucks, and the board's so wide that they just moved, and I just landed all board.
So basically what you're trying to say is it saved your feet.
No, like literally got chopped in half.
We need to start this in the comments below, guys. Loose or tight trucks? Let us know.
In between.
Ow. Full send. Yeah, boy. Got him. First try.
Okay.
To nothing. I got so scared mid-trick. I was like, oh, ay, ooh. Okay, I know what to do. Yeah, boy.
Definitely thought I was gonna fall.
I did too. I feel like heel flips are already like the hardest trick. With these trucks is the hardest of the hardest trick. So I'm just gonna take Fetty out without giving him another turn. Good eye.
Nice save.
Completely stopped.
That was the most incredible save ever.
Wow.
That was my one chance.
I can't can't balance.
Wow.
That cracked.
He hit a crack right when he popped.
We'll give him a rebate.
Didn't even matter.
How is that the best one I've ever done in my entire life? Tighten it up, Gabe. Yeah, boy. Get out of here. Okay.
All right, that's 2.
Well, I was gonna do a big flip, but now I can't do that.
You haven't even tray flipped it.
Tray flip revert's easier than a tray flip.
Yes.
My problem is I can't flip this board.
Next game.
Tight trucks, Fetty starts. And I'm going to harness the power of Mario. You know, this is how Nigel Houston skates his trucks as well. Word on the street. Oh, I just threw out my lower back. I need loose trucks to loosen up my back.
And you can't heel flip on any board.
Okay, Mario, let's go, baby. BBT! I'll get that. I promise you, Mario. I love you.
At least the other board had pop.
This is for the old Braille fans. If you can name this trick in the comments below, you're my best friend. What? All right, let's see if I can do that.
Hey.
The things you can do on tight trucks.
Exactly. Ah! Hey, why? You gotta land perfect, otherwise you can't. No give. A lot of silence out there. I'll do that again. My foot was all off.
No, it was fine. Oh, he's going at you, man.
Didn't we already do a pressure flip?
Oh!
Like I said about the loose trucks.
Oh.
Well, I'm done for a month.
I can't turn, like.
It's my new dance, Fortnite.
Wow.
I landed on one truck, and since it didn't move, I landed.
That's why I'm better at the loose trucks. By default, the other person misses.
Ooh, I had to pay.
Oh, very well, too. Wow.
You didn't think I had it in me. It kind of goes. You'll hear it. Thank you, tight trucks. Thank you, Thanos. That was Troy. That close. If Troy hadn't...
Troy.
You try a tray double flip?
It's so skinny, you can't.
Oh, it was Troy.
Never again, Gabe. Never again. Thank you, 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 thank you. You guys are the absolute best. I really appreciate you watching these videos and supporting us and leaving those comments below. Hit that like button, and then please give us a subscribe because we love to give you more videos. We make videos all the time, literally all the time. It's all we do.
Yes.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this. There's another video right here, which is our original loose versus tight trucks, which will give you some more instructional details on like, this is how the loose versus tight trucks work. And then this video right here is super fun. If you watch it, you will have a blast because Fetty did a thing that you will not believe in that video right there. Kickflipping a glass skateboard. Thank you.
Wow.